Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Let me shut off that fountain first. That's a little better. I had too much background noise there. This is my house water feed or water supply. This is a pressure reducer. This is the street pressure or the water district pressure, which is, in my case, about 150 psi. That's way too high for your house. So this was reducing it only down to about 95, which is not low enough. It should be, you can look it up, but 40 to 60, I think is what they say. So right now, I did one adjustment, and without any water running, it's at 70. You can see that there. I'm going to do another adjustment. I'll show you how to do it. So what you want to do is turn on a couple of taps inside the house. Okay, that's two. It doesn't matter if they're upstairs or downstairs. So now you can see with the taps running, I'm down to about 63 or 4 psi. Sorry about that focus. There's a little better. The camera keeps changing where the focus is. Anyway, now what you want to do is loosen up this lock nut on the regulator. Like that. Sorry, out of frame. And then you turn this out or counterclockwise. And let's see where the regulator goes. You want to get it below 60, maybe 55. Yeah, that's about 55 right there. So when I shut off those faucets inside, that's 55 right there. 55. Okay, let's go shut off the faucets inside. Okay, we shut those off. Now we're gonna spike back up on the pressure a couple or 3 psi. So now it's sitting at 60, and I'm going to try that. Turn your lock nut back on. I don't think this is going to go anywhere, but they do give you a lock nut on it, so just snug that up a little bit like that. Sorry, I keep getting out of frame. And shut this off. Take this off. And there you go. The reason for all this is I think the water district has made some changes to their system. Because of new construction, they have to build new water tanks and pumps and whatever they do. And as a result of that, there are increases to other neighborhoods that have been around for a long time. So I called the water district, and they were not much help. They said something like, oh, if you're between 30 and 200, you're good to go. So thank you very much for that, but that didn't really tell me anything. So now, one last thought is, if your regulator is more than 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 years old, I don't know if it's going to adjust very well. So you might have to put a new one in. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Don't forget to vote.